figure out possibly what's putting all this stress and anxiety on my plate. And airplane. No, seriously.
There's a lighter right there.
I always feel anxiety like someone's putting a guilt trip on me.
I know.
Oh, making me feel guilty. A number one.
Your glasses come soon.
Me?
You got 20% off your glasses.
My glasses?
Yeah.
That's good. Hey, honey, I thought Christina Halfpenny was being blamed before.
No.
Huh?
No.
Which is it?
You're not.
Honey, I thought both of us would be
I don't know.
blamed before.
I don't know. Let me see what I have for messages.
Somebody say, what do we do? How are we people?
Let me listen.
No, it's really too far off this one. It's too out there for this. What's this one? Lines of this one. Oh, that's a sick. I just figure who's doing this. I didn't do it. Blame that person. I'm not the one saying that. Is that a sin? You know what? Whatever. First of all, I'd like to know who's putting the exclamation point on our Wi-Fi. Second of all, I'd like to figure out who the fuck is doing this to us. Screw.
Stupid thing.
Stupid.
Why not?
No, foolish. That is. Someone's being a fucking fool. She said.
Delete that stupid thing too.
Huh?
Wait a minute. Let me listen.
That's what he said. They should have done it. I know they're against each other. Does that do it? What do we do? I thought the Lord was stronger than that.
He is.
Thank God. Hey, I'll be lucky if someone has a cross downtown right in your house or bam, there you go. Never take that off the wall. Christina Halfpenny said no. Honey, just know this, I'd never be rude.